Try this 2019 Dodge Challenger 9. This one here is nice. Put a clear codes in it and see what I was going on with it. Cause I just put a transmission in it and I'm finna get it drive it. And see if I'm gonna like it. And if I like this joker, man, look, Camaro finna go to sleep and I'm finna jump on one of these down here. Feels good. They got the scat on there. You can see it. Yeah, that's how it's scat. So let me check it out. Gotta play these codes. Just saying, my transmission. This joint is kind of ticky though. Cause I took the battery off of it and put the transmission in this car. And everything pulled up. The same thing that it said for the old transmission. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clear these codes because we have a new transmission in it. And we can go from there. Yeah, it's an overview of some that I always want to know what it look like on the Dodge Charger. There you go. Put a transmission in it yesterday, and now I'm finna do the test drive and make sure the transmission is shifting correctly, so I can have another happy Clyde. Shifting good. Brand new transmission. They sound good though. These just sound real good, man. Idle good. They need some dump in it. This ain't my car, but I can own one if I want one. I ain't going too far. Ain't no much gas in it.